Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So you can subscribe, the button is always down below. Post beauty, lifestyle, panning, and more. And today I'm going to be sharing my Ipsy glam bag unboxing for July. I feel kind of out of sorts because I haven't filmed and I want to say like 2-ish weeks. I don't know. I also just I don't even know, out of sorts. Out of sorts is just a good expression for me today. It's how I feel. But I'm really excited to get into the Ipsy glam bag unboxing for July. I guess before I go into that, I should say just some basic things about Ipsy that I've probably mentioned before. I think we're up to like $14 a month for it now. We also have Glam Bag X, which is around $50 quarterly, and you have to be subscribed to either the Glam Bag or the Glam Bag Plus, which Glam Bag Plus I believe is $25 or $28. I've never tried it out, been curious for sure. I still like getting Ipsy. I'm very conflicted with it, which I guess I'll talk about in this video. But yeah, my monthly Ipsy unboxing. But yeah, if you're excited to see what I got this month's Ipsy, keep on watching, I guess. So this is what this month's bag looks like. So it's just pretty teal purpley-ish color. And it has like a little star charm, which I think is just the cutest thing ever. That's what the bag looks like. But let's open her up. And actually before that, every month you obviously get your card. And this month's theme is Soak It All In, which, yes, summer, very summery theme. The Glam Bag X is coming up next month. They always tell you that when it's coming up, and then your products are in the inside, which I always find out what my products are ahead of time. I used to like surprise myself, but I don't know, I just always like to look into it before. And you obviously get to pick your one item too. I feel like I'm going into all the things today where normally I don't, but you know, it is what it is. So the first thing I got in my bag is from Apeto Skincare. Never heard of this before, but I got this in the bag. This is the Orange Blossom Cleanser with grapeseed oil. It is clarifying, soothing, and reviving. It is also vegan and sustainable, which we love. And it's supposed to be for a universal skin type. I believe it might be cruelty-free. But that's what it looks like. I'm trying to find more information on the card. But yeah, PTO Skincare Orange Blossom Cleanser with grapeseed oil. The first step to soft, radiant skin is cleansing with this oil-based cleanser that helps wash away dirt and impurities. This silky gel formula goes on smooth and leaves your skin feeling ultra moisturized, never dry, tight, or dehydrated. A tip is to massage it into the skin for 30-60 seconds for maximum results. This is a deluxe size with a full size for 120 ml. It retails for $18. I actually like this. I used this morning and I thought it was quite nice. It was very like hydrating and more of like a milky cleanser, which I really like. And yeah, I'm probably gonna put this in like one of my bags or bins for like travel, because I think this is a really good like travel kind of cleanser, and I always like to have those on hand for whenever trip comes up. But yeah, I did really enjoy that. So next thing I am really excited about, which is actually a full-size item from the brand Item Beauty, which I've heard a lot about. I love how it comes in this little bag. I don't know why I like that, but I just do. This is what it looks like. I've used a tiny bit of this, but this is from the brand Item Beauty, and this is the Item Beauty Lip Quip in Come Through, and it says this is an Ipsy exclusive, which I didn't know. Yes, you scored TikTok star Addison Rae's Item Beauty products exclusive for you. Wait, does Addison Rae, I'm confused. Product exclusive for you. Get ready for the juicy, softest lips with this rosy tint oil. It's plant-based. It has jojoba, almond oil, and shea butter to lock in moisture. Yeah, just gives hydration. The full size retails for $14, which is, this is a full size, so this whole thing retails for $14. I love this stuff. It's like such a natural color that it works for every day, and even works with a look like this, which I love. and I just love lip oils, and this one is just so nice. That's got to be one of my favorite things in the bag. Should I be revealing that so soon? Probably not, but I'm going there. It's just like so hydrating, and I just love a good oil, a good gloss, a good hydration. So next, I actually picked this. This is from Kinship. It comes in this cute little box. This is the Blur and Brighten Bright Wave Energizing Brightening Eye Cream, and it says an energy drink for your eyes, for tired eyes. All Kinship products are cruelty free and that kind of stuff. And yeah, so this is the Bright Wave Energizing and Brightening Eye Cream. It says wake up your under eyes with energizing bright eye cream that helps reduce the appearance of dark circles. Well, as bright and hydrate the skin, it's an energy drink for the eyes. Best results gently rolled with a jade roller under your eyes. A cool jade roller, let me add, and apply the eye cream. And so the full size 15 ml of this product is $32. I really like this eye cream. I don't know, I only used it once, but I really liked it, and it's cruelty free. I believe it might also be vegan, and you can use it AM and PM, and it really did brighten, so I really like this. And it's just in such a like a cute little baby, like little sample, which I love. And it's just like really nice packaging. Like, I like the bright color thing. We only have two more things, so the next one I got it, which I was kind of not intrigued with, but after trying it I am intrigued. I'm actually wearing it. I'm wearing most of the stuff today. This is the MAC Stack Mascara. This is supposed to be a super stack mega brush mascara. That's supposed to be like the before and after of what it makes your eyelashes look like. And the brush I think is quite unique because it just looks like that, and then I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but there is like a ball looking thing at the end, like a little spike at the end of the brush, which is super nice. I just really like it. It really gets in your lashes and it really lifts them, which I like, and stuff. So I really like this, but more on this. It's the MAC Stack Mascara. It's supposed to be a mega lash volume. Is super achievable with this mascara. It helps to make your eyelashes pop. The flake and smudge proof formula won't clump for a flawless application that lasts all day. It says apply 2 coats for maximum volume, and the full size of this retails for $28. I really like this. I think it's really good for like every day. I especially like it with more of a natural look. Like if I'm not really even wearing eyeshadow, like if I just do like concealer, powder, and mascara, I like it even for like those days looks. But I'm wearing it today and even looks good like today for a more dramatic look. But I really like this mascara, which I wasn't expecting to. It's not cruelty free or anything like that, but I do really like it for, you know, getting it in this bag. And lastly, we have a moisturizer, which these are also things I really like getting in bags. This one's from Golfaded MD. This is the Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer. Has vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, which I love, and gooseberry, which I've never heard of, but that's what it looks like. I've used this only like one time, but I really liked it. It's the best skincare products, the ones that'll work for you. The daily moisturizer delivers a powerful mix of ingredients to maximize moisture in this line up to give your skin a fighting chance against hyperpigmentation and texture, which I definitely have. And tip is always use a nickel amount on face and neck. And the full size of this retails for $68, so kind of expensive, but you know, that's kind of why I love subscriptions, because you can try like things you normally wouldn't try. But yeah, that's it for what's in the bag. I never even noticed it's green on the inside. Wow. So opinions in this bag. I really like the oil. lip oil. I think it's my favorite thing I got in the bag, and honestly it pays for the bag because I think this is retails for $14, which means it pays for the bag basically. I really liked the cleanser, the mascara, the moisturizer. I actually liked all the items I got in the bag. Compared to I think last month I had a few duds, and stuff, but I actually really like a lot of these items. And yeah, next month we'll get the Glam Bag X, which is exciting. Always love that. And yeah, be sure to let me know what you got in your bags this month, or whatever subscription you subscribe to, if you subscribe to one. What are some like good ones out there? I'd love to hear about it, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already before you go. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.